Hello, 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 and welcome to Craft Divas. So today I made this for a customer, and I just wanted to show you guys. Well, I don't really call them clients. I just wanted to show you guys like how what I did to come up with this idea. So I don't know if you guys saw. Um, I did this shoe before, so I'm gonna go through the process a little bit of how I did the shoe and how I did the cut. All right. So, and y'all can also find me on Facebook under Craft Divas. That is my craft group. So, more than welcome to join. Please answer the questions. It's a very large group. We do love active members, so please be active if you join. All right. Oh, and I also have a Patreon page. Yay! Well, my Patreon page, basically, I'm just trying to um get trying to do something for the kids. So if everybody can at least, do the dollar a month, that'll really, really help me out of helping the kids in the community. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm probably gonna just open up a new tab here. All right. So what I did for the drinks was I got it off Google. So I just Googled wine glass PNG and I got all these. So I uploaded this one and yeah, it was like four or something, almost five. And I changed the color. So let's do lavender. So let's see. So I want to do lavender, and I was doing the zebra print. So what you do is you click on it, you go to pattern, and I have the zebra print in here already. But I don't want all of that. So basically what I'm going to do is take the shape and I just wanted the bottom. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. And I sliced it. Need that. I don't need that either. And any other part you want of this. I did the top. So on the other ones. I thought that was pretty cool. And just do the bottom. The bottom is cute, but I think I like the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this. And I took and flattened all of that. So when it print out, it was one. It was a print cut. And for the shoe, I don't have the shoe on here anymore. All right, so basically with the shoe, I think I have one on here. Nope, I don't have one on here. You have to take the shoe apart. Literally. Let's see if I can find the shoes. Alright, this is the shoe right here. Alright, so I'm gonna have to so with the shoe, I need certain parts. Let's see. Alright. Just depends on what you want to do. So with the shoe, definitely need, yeah, so I need this part. And I gotta upload it again. And that's the whole shoe. But that's not all. One more part of the shoe you need. If you want your bottom to be different. So now I am going to, I just need the bottom part of the shoe. So I'm gonna take away this. There work. Undo that. Let's take it down some. There you go. Alright, I need to upload all three of these. So I'm gonna take the shoe and I am going to make it a zebra print. Well, first I need to duplicate the shoe. Alright. And I'm gonna make it a zebra. And I will change this to black. And oh, I can do that. But yeah, let me change that to lavender. No, not lavender. I'm changing that to black. But if you want to put like lavender or something on there, you can. Let's see. Let's see something. I'm just messing around with some stuff. Hey, somebody sure I can do what I want, right? How about that? And you know what? We're gonna flatten it all together. So there goes your shoe and your cup.